UFO reports hype up excitement, but almost all are fake. Latest research shows a 70% chance aliens do not exist. You might argue that is impossible. With billions of galaxies and stars, how could Earth be unique? But that is just our wishful thinking. When scientists break down all conditions for extraterrestrial life and calculate with real data, they find the birth of life, especially intelligent life, is far harder and harsher than imagined. It requires a chain of incredible coincidences that might exist only on Earth. Scientists used the Drake equation to estimate intelligent alien civilizations. Proposed by Frank Drake in 1961, it aimed to encourage scientific dialogue on SETI, not yield exact counts. Using 7 core parameters,
it estimated how many alien civilizations might communicate with us. But key parameters, like the odds of intelligent evolution and civilization longevity, remain unpredictable. This means our previous guesses about aliens mostly lack scientific proof. The latest research refined these parameter calculations, concluding there is a 70% chance aliens do not exist. Imagine the universe as a 10 million square kilometer desert, and the emergence of life is like finding one specific grain of sand in that desert. This grain must be the perfect size and shape, resting right where there is water, sunlight, and ideal temperatures. It must also stay undamaged and unmoved by wind and sun. Earth is that unique grain of sand in the vast cosmic desert. It stands alone, with no second grain to be found. Life emerging is like flipping a coin 100 times and getting heads every time.
A planet must be in its star's habitable zone and have liquid water. It needs a protective atmosphere and a magnetic field to block cosmic radiation. It requires suitable rotation and orbital periods, just the right amount of gravity, and even a protector planet like Jupiter. Once simple life emerges, evolving into intelligent life requires simple organisms must evolve into multicellular life, into vertebrates. Vertebrates into higher intelligence. Learn to use tools and build a civilization. This process takes vast eons of time. Go wrong. If an accident happens, the entire evolutionary chain is as hard as a heap of scrap metal, assembling itself, with no external help, into a rocket that can launch into space.
Many assume habitable planets are everywhere in space. But latest studies show in our galaxy, planets in stellar habitable zones with liquid water, atmosphere, and magnetic fields make up less than 1%. Using the James Webb Telescope and China's fast years of observations revealed around 1,000 potentially habitable planets in the Milky Way. Yet among these planets, most lack liquid water, lack an atmosphere, or have weak magnetic fields, making life impossible. Those truly meeting all conditions for life number fewer than 10. What's worse, these potential exoplanets are hundreds or thousands of light years away from us. And according to the latest Drake equation estimates, even if simple life exists on these planets, the chance of it evolving into intelligent life is less than 1 in 10,000. Meaning there might not be a single intelligent alien civilization in the Milky Way. According to NASA data, over 90% of planets in the universe lack magnetic fields and a complete atmosphere. Exposed to cosmic radiation, with surface temperatures ranging from hundreds of degrees above zero to hundreds below, making them completely uninhabitable. By Drake equation estimates, the average lifespan of an intelligent civilization is under 10,000 years. Human civilization is only a few thousand years old, and we face environmental decay and resource shortages. If not properly addressed, we too could head towards self-destruction. And even if alien civilizations exist, they'd likely self-destruct before reaching out to us. This is a key reason why we haven't detected any alien signals yet. Even if an alien civilization exists on a distant planet, like us, they are isolated on their world by cosmic expansion, unable to reach across the vast universe to contact us. The vast universe to reach us. We are like two people trapped on isolated islands. Even if both exist, we can never meet, much less talk. One day, all extrasolar data will completely vanish from our view due to cosmic expansion, trapping us forever in this tiny star region. Even if aliens exist, we will never find them. Many imagine aliens to look like humans, with eyes, noses, mouths, able to speak and think. But really, forms of life might be far stranger than we imagine, or even beyond our comprehension. They might not need oxygen or liquid water. They might be composed of energy or gas, completely unlike life as we know it. Yet even for such unconventional life, their emergence requires extremely harsh conditions, making the odds virtually negligible. And even if they exist, we wouldn't recognize them, nor communicate with them. To us, such aliens are no different from non-existent. NASA, the European Space Agency, CNSA, and other global top astronomical institutions jointly searched for alien signals, using advanced tools like Webb, China's FAST, and the Allen Array. Continuously observing the cosmos for 20 years. Listening for suspicious cosmic signals, yet, no alien signals have been found. No trace of alien spacecraft. And no evidence that alien civilizations exist. Keep in mind, these instruments can detect faint signals dozens or hundreds of light years away. Even if aliens exist, if they sent out even the smallest signal, we would catch it. But after 20 years, we have nothing. This also implies the chance of aliens existing is extremely low. Right now, instead of obsessing over searching for aliens, we should cherish our lives and protect our Earth, because it may be the universe's only home for humanity. And we might be the only intelligent life in the universe.